Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to view your Snapchat QR code, also known as your Snapcode. Whether you're looking to share your profile with friends or add someone quickly, knowing how to find your Snapcode is essential. So, let's get started. Step 1. Launch the Snapchat app on your Android device. Simply find the app icon and tap to open it. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap your Bitmoji or profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. This takes you directly to your profile page. Step 3. View your Snapcode. At the top of your profile page, just below your Bitmoji, you'll see your Snapcode. It's that unique yellow square with black dots and your Bitmoji right in the center. This is your personal QR code for others to scan. Step 4. You can share this Snapcode with friends, or scan it from another device to quickly add yourself. Just show it to your friends, or take a screenshot so they can easily find you on Snapchat. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to view and share your Snapchat QR code. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks.